Vamos!
This is so cool.
They're testing probably machines. Hello, Mr. Tenerife man, how are you doing? Peñón Rock. Willkommen! Oh yeah, this is it, so I'll take the view. Very pleasant waves today. Check out those people. Just enjoying gentle waves. They're testing probably machines, so maybe they will open this part shortly.
This is so cool.
Goodbye. Almuelle Harbor. Check this out. The color of the water. Wow. Deep side and shallow side. The bottom of the harbor is brown, so the water is very warm here. Probably, I'm sure this is the warmest place. If you want to swim in a warm water, then come here for sure. Very hot on the sun. Wow. Good boy, baby. Good boy. Papa El Teide. Still sleeping, Papa. Sleep. About the fire, we cannot see anything from our side, from Puerto. But one guy from Santa Ursula, today I've met him. He said the fire is much smaller than it was the last time, but it's close to houses, so they fight with fire and they will be probably successful shortly. El Niño will never jump. He hates water. Mr. YouTuber Tenerife man. Hello, Mr. Tenerife man. How are you doing? Another festival is coming. Peñón Rock. You can see the progress of painting this house. Willkommen. Oh yeah, this is it, so it has to be quiet ocean and low ocean. Now we can see, wow. Hola. Let's see some whales. Lots of them. From this side, and then I'm gonna turn so we can see them from the other side. Hello. For me, this is the best from this park. Hallo, guten Tag.
Hallo.
Venezia, we love you. Now you can see whales from the other side. And on the other side, there's another collection, and you can see them all. Slava Ukrajine!
Героям слава!
Now we can have a funny situation. I can turn and I can follow the train. Let's do it.